Okay, I'm back. Tamara Rubin, Let's Save Mama, Let'sSaveMama.com, here with my son, AJ Rubin.
Hello.
We're doing another CertifiedKit.com dust wipe sample on a 2006 purchased Tempurpedic bed. This bed was originally $4,000. It's just the mattress part, and we tested it with an XRF instrument a long time ago and found that it had very low levels, safe by all standards, but very low levels of lead. And what we're trying to figure out is if there is any lead dust, given the level of deterioration with the bed. And what I want to show you as in a close-up is these little pilling that happens on top of the mattress.
Pilling?
Yeah, that's pilling. And so that made me think, well, there is a chance for microparticulate lead dust to be coming up depending on where it's coming from. So AJ just followed the instructions. He marked off. You want to tell me what you just did?
So I marked off a 1 square foot area with rulers, and then I put on a different set of gloves than the one I just used because we just did a test and I didn't want to get any contamination from the previous test area. And then I have one of the wipes that we used in the previous video, a new one, obviously. And then I'm going to completely unfold that here. Like so. And then in a north-south, in an S shape around the square foot test area. So
the idea is to wipe up any microparticulate lead dust. And the thing is that a sugar packet worth of lead dust is enough to contaminate a football field to about 39 micrograms per square foot, like 38.6. So you can't see an amount of lead dust that's toxic to humans. The amount of lead and dust that is toxic to children, as determined by our protective health agencies, not our federal government, is anything 10 micrograms per square foot or higher. And actually, scientists like Dr. Lanfer showed that there were probable health impacts at levels as low as 5 micrograms per square foot. So anything over 5 or 10 micrograms per square foot would be concerning, and a sugar packet across a football field results in about 38 micrograms per square foot.
My mom's so smart.
So you're putting that, want to tell them what you just did?
So I did north-south in an S shape, pressing firmly. Then I did east-west in an S shape, pressing firmly. Then I did the perimeter, and then I folded it, and I was folding it progressively each time smaller. And then I put it in a new centrifuge tube, and then I'm labeling that number 2.
And what they're going to do with this information, they're going to take these tubes. This is number 1 on top of the mattress cover, and that's number 2. They're going to take these and they're going to dissolve them in a lab, in a laboratory setting, and find out how many micrograms of lead dust there are, actual micrograms. And because we measured a square foot, we're going to have a reading of X number of micrograms per square foot. Anything else you want to add there?
I don't think so.
A really fun thing about the Certified Kit product, these are my friends. They don't sponsor my work right now. I wish they did. Hey, you guys should sponsor my work. My friend Lee owns this company with a couple of other friends. And the nice thing is you get these in the mail, you do the test, and then it has a FedEx label in it. So it comes with a prepaid FedEx label. You FedEx the product back to the lab, and then they email you the results in 3 to 5 days.
And this is the same company that I used to test the water at my high school.
Yes, yeah, exactly, where we found lead.
Super easy.
Yeah, really
Very
easy.
cool.
Okay, so we're going to do a couple more tests. For fun, we're going to do a sample on the floor, which is fairly dusty.
Very.
And we're going to do some samples on this book. Hold the book up. On this book, Harry the Dirty Dog.
The Dirty Dog.
Because we know this book has really high lead levels, and we're going to find out how much comes off when you touch it. Okay, thanks for helping, AJ. And check out Let'sSaveMama.com for more information.